getting pretty dark now, as you can see. Right, there's a star out there, and the moon and the star. That way, it's dark. You can just see a little bit of light and orange in the distance, but the fire is good. There's stars out. I'm hoping to get a good star trail tonight. Oh man, I don't have much wood left. I don't know if you can see. I've got a couple of pieces just here, and what's burning there. And that will be it for the night. Once it disappears, I'm going to bed. There's no need for me to stay up. I'll go up into the Taj Mahal and sleep and get up in the morning. I've forgotten how dark that is too, so I'm probably going to sleep in, I'm guessing, just a little. We will see. Oh, I don't really feel like dinner. I just had a banana, you know. Lazy, I know, but hey, got to make it easy for yourself. And it was a long day of driving, so I'm quite happy just to chill, sit back in the chair and look out. The satellites flying through the sky. Stars are really starting to come out. I'm going to have to turn that light off or turn it down. It's dimmable, which is really good. I just got to hold the button and it will dim down like that, which is pretty cool. So it just puts a little bit of light out, if you know what I mean. Not much, but just a little, so I can see. Well, I slept in, didn't I? What a morning. Suppose I should get up. Whoa. Oh, that's bright. It is. That's better. Oh, what a night's sleep. It was beautiful. Dead silent. Wasn't used to it. Last 6 months I've had the missus snoring. But yeah. Air mattress? Good. Even though it is too big for the rooftop. I will look for another one that's the right size. But yeah, that was awesome sleep. Awesome sleep. Oh, a little bit cool, so I got jumper and trackies on, but check that view out, eh, behind me. Or in front of me now. What? How good. How good. Fire burnt right down, which is good. Oh. Doesn't get much better. Oh, there's still some heat there. If I had wood, I could probably get it going, but I'm not gonna. I'll pour water over it before I go. Oh. Looks like a couple of, what do you call them? Streams from the plains in the cloud. I don't know if you can see them. I probably can't with this camera. Got a bit of getting used to, don't I? I don't know if you can see them just over there. Oh, magic morning. Absolutely magic. I think it might be time for coffee, but hopefully everything still works. It's been that long since I've used it all. Oh, I don't know if it's going to work. Oh. Yeah, I got gas. I got no plans today. I'll probably put Starlink on in a minute and have a look. First though, get the kettle boiling. Oh, I might as well fill the lot up. Go for my normal morning walk. Where's the lid? Whoa! Definitely been a while. Still got my cup in here. Still got it. Spoon. Stir the coffee. Where's one that's open? Right here. Still doing the instant coffee. Well, last night I didn't have much on. I mainly just the lights in there for a bit in the fridge. But when I got out this morning, which is 7:30 now, battery was 100%. So that solar is doing the job nicely, which is good. Been sitting here, got changed, sat in shorts. Last hour, half hour. It's a magic spot. So quiet. It's just, yeah, haven't heard a thing, haven't seen a thing. It's been really good. Yeah, in a way I don't want to leave, but it's like 8:45. I should think about packing up soon. I just don't know. I'm charging batteries. Still got my coffee on the go. I really don't know. This is just too nice. Too nice. The sun's beautiful. It's not cold. It's not hot. The flies aren't bad. There's the odd one or two. It's it's just, yeah, perfect. Really, really good. Should really pack up, but oh man, this is so good, eh? So good. I gotta nearly finish the coffee. Alright, let's pack up. Slowly been packing up, as you'll be able to see. Doesn't want to follow me today. Rooftop is packed up. Let's get you off this. I have been dumping footage onto the laptop, you know, doing my bit. Batteries are still charging. It looks a mess in here, I gotta say. Look at everything. It is crazy what's going on, but it's all part of the fun. So let's, you know, I've got to pack the chair up, pack the Starlink up, and then I'm good. and leave this beautiful spot. Go try and find somewhere else. Oh, there's flies. The flies have come out now. They're getting bad. So, yeah. I've got the chair to pack up. Starlink, as I said. Laptop. I'll get that done, then we'll go. As you can probably hear, it is windy now, so I'm glad I've packed up. Probably going to be a windy day for some reason. It's not blowing it heaps, but it's blowing. You can feel it. I'd probably get a bit windburnt. But that is everything packed up, ready to go. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me on this first of me being back trips. It's been a while, I know. But first, I'm heading that way. No, well, I'm going that way because I can't go that way across the Salt Lake. But I'm going back out and around and heading more into the bush because that's just where I want to go. So see ya on the next one. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe and all that jargon if you're interested. Cheers. Fingers crossed it starts, eh?